Falafel, basically, it's a very popular street food that came from Jordan, and we eat falafel pretty much every day. Any corner you go, you will find a falafel place. I miss the falafel and a good falafel. So I decided to make falafel here, and I make falafel from scratch. And on top of that, we fry it with avocado oil and make it more healthier, basically. Because garbanzo beans, it has some carbs, but it's a good carbs. I like to dip it with the hummus and add the tahini sauce to it. And a little bit with olive oil. It's really delicious. I decided falafel because each restaurant here, they have falafel as a side order. It's not a main order. I decided to make falafel place mainly for falafel. The things makes our falafel different. We use fresh ingredients from scratch. We don't cut corners. We soak our beans and we grind it here. You know, when you have a goal, you have to work hard for it. You put all the effort you can do to make it happen. We make food like we make it for ourselves. Good quality, tastes good, and healthy as well. My name is Mahmoud. My wife, Mahmou. I'm from Jordan. Yeah, we are here at 734 Park Boulevard. You can get what I'm cooking on TakeIn.